So in this video, we are going to talk about what is a brand board. So basically, yung brand guide, guys, or branding is a very big scope. And it includes a lot of process, but I'm just going to mention the important ones or little ones kasi yun lang yung magagamit natin sa social media and personal branding because we don't need that much branding guide or brand bible. So on this part, I'm going to talk about a brand board. Ano ba talaga yung brand board? What is brand board? What does it do? How does it work? So basically, a brand board looks like this or this. And you won't believe what I'll say. Did you know that I was able to sell this thing for $100? Imagine, I'm not an expert in branding and look at the design, it's very tacky. It's just because the main goal for a brand board is it's like a guide. So basically, it doesn't have to be that very beautiful and aesthetic and everything. So yung purpose ng brand board is only your guide in your social media platforms and your your brand. So basically, a brand board consists of your primary logo, your alternative logos, color palette, mood color, and typography. So dyan kayo kukuha ng basis or it will be kind of your foundation when creating your content. So, sobrang magagamit nito siya, guys, especially baguhan kayo and you are into establishing your social media management business and any business, any form of business actually. So, this is what a brand board looks like. So technically, speaking of branding, sobrang dami niyang scope like I said kanina. But I just mentioned brand board here because we're not going to discuss about in-depth branding. So, yung mga yung i-discuss ko lang is yung magagamit natin. And if you guys wanna offer branding as a service, then you can enroll to an extensive branding course, which is, I think, meron naman dyan sa market. You can find one, a good one actually. And if you want a recommendation, I could recommend one. And don't worry, wala akong commission doon. I just want to help and just want to make sure you're on the right course, because I don't want you spending money on courses that don't, Before I end this video, you might say na parang, if you heard of this from the other, stuff and you read about this, sabihin nyo, si Katch hindi nag-mention ng brand bible, what else, brand guide, other things under the umbrella of branding. So, like I said, guys, ito lang yung magagamit natin for now, and I don't think we need a brand bible unless we're going to offer it as a service. Then, like I said, pwede kayo mag-enroll ng course, ng very extensive course about branding. This one, sa natutunan nyo, you can already offer this service. Create a brand board. Just make sure to define your ideal clients para alam nyo kung sino yung nangangailangan ng brand board. Kasi may iba kasing businesses that they need the extensive branding or the overall full package branding, like the brand bible and the brand guide and all the sorts of things. So yun lang, let's proceed to the next video.